excited to pull up to the next car meet. I don't know if y'all know, but y'all should know that of course my Jeep is on air suspension. I'm parked right now. I was getting ready to leave the shop. If you follow me on Instagram, now I just did a YouTube banner giveaway. My business, Edge by Kendra. So if you need decals, banners, whatever, I got you. Hit me up. Let's work. I ship, I do local pickup, all that good stuff. But anyway, I was getting ready to leave the shop, and I figured, you know what, I might as well get another video in, because there is one thing that I've been forgetting to do, is install the Airlift app on my phone. On my last YouTube video, I went to Jiffy Lube, and they wanted me to air out. Guess what? I had to get all the way back in the car and then air out, when the whole point of having an airlift system, or I think one of the biggest perks, is being able to air out on demand when you're not even at your vehicle. So this video is gonna be a tutorial on how do you install the app, how easy it is, because I feel like if I can do it, then y'all definitely can do it. I do not have it programmed on my phone at all. I've not read any instructions on how to do it. So we literally finna go blind on this thing and try to figure it out. But I need that functionality, because y'all know AccuAir was big time in the game, and one of the really cool things that their system did was it had auto presets to where when you turn on your car, it automatically raised up to ride height. Well, with Airlift, it doesn't do that. You got to get in here, remember that you low, and put it on ride height. So, you know, when you outside the car, you're more cognizant of, hey, my stuff is dropped to the ground, so let me go ahead and raise this up. But like I said, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna see how easy it is to do it, and y'all gonna be right here tagging along with me. So let's do this right now. I got an iPhone, and I'm trying my best, y'all, because I ain't got nobody to hold the camera. So I'm gonna go to Airlift. Y'all see I got my nails done. I don't know if you can see it though, but I got my nails done, so now I can't even really type on my phone. So I don't know how the heck to do all this. Airlift performance. There we go. Y'all see it. So then I'm gonna do that first one. I'm gonna get it. Let me see. Install. Done with the install. Okay, so now it's installing. So we're gonna see. By using the display or ignition sequence. What the heck? Okay, I don't know what that means, but we finna try. No, I don't think that did anything. Okay, so I'm finna turn the Jeep off real quick. Have y'all done this before? I'm assuming. Why is it so close? Oops. I'm assuming that's my Airlift. I don't know though. Okay, so I'm actually start it up. Make sure my radio don't come on. Of course it do. Trying to slip me up. Let's see. Just moved my controller over to this left side because over there being on the right was too hard. So I'm gonna get into the back door of the controller, and I'm gonna press this button and this button at the same time. If I can do this with these stupid nails on. There we go. And I think you can press the middle and the down one at the same time. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go down. Oops. Crap. Then I'm gonna go to Bluetooth pair. Bluetooth pairing right now is off, so I'm gonna put that as on. I'm gonna get back to my phone real quick. That Bluetooth is on, so turn that Bluetooth on as well. So I'm gonna hit save. Let me see. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back to my phone. Crap. Gotta update my phone. I need a mandatory update, so I'm gonna press update. I'll just pick normal. Okay, what'd that say? Failed to connect. It's on and connected to Bluetooth again. I'm connected to Bluetooth. Just did that. Normal. Okay, that's doing something. Okay, so now it looks like it's doing some kind of update, so I'm gonna let that run. It is mentioned like 10 minutes. Hopefully this process works. I'm on 31% already, and we will test this thing out. Y'all saw the process. It was literally a few click of the buttons. For the most part, it seems pretty straightforward. If this works, it's just getting into the back door, pressing the middle button as well as the button to the very top, or to the top of that, and the bottom of it will get you into the back door. I'll also put the steps into the description below so that you can just read through it and be like, all right, I'm good to go. But I mean, so far I love this system. It's been pretty good. Oh, here we go. All right, it's doing something, y'all. My phone is still saying updating control unit. Okay, there we go. I got numbers. Yeah, I see that. Firmware update complete. Press OK. Let me see. Oh, okay. That's not my ride height though. I don't know if I missed on my presets when I did this. Oh, you know what? Never mind. I didn't press the middle. Let me see. Press it. There we go. So that worked. We're gonna go on the outside and we're gonna see, because I'm ready to start. Super excited to pull up to the next car meet, because guess what, your girl finna get out and I'm gonna air it out. I'm gonna air it out, y'all, and I ain't even gonna be in there. But nah, for real, I wanted to show y'all, and I wanted to see for myself how simple it was, because I've been on air suspension for, oh shoot, it's been like 6 months now, and I have not even Tried to install the app. Probably only took like 15 minutes because I ain't know what I'm doing, but hopefully you watching this video, it'll take you less time to do it. And let me know what y'all think about Airlift, if y'all riding on air suspension or whatever other units y'all got out there. Like I said, I know Acura was a big one. They went out of business, so they don't really have any air suspensions on the market right now. But I think I just saw somebody with one, so I don't know if they're coming back or not. But if anybody knows any details on that, definitely let me know. But y'all see Blue back there. We finna get ready to head out. It's been a good day. It's been a long day. Had a lot of stuff to do. Definitely, if you haven't already, tap into my Instagram. Make sure y'all are subscribed to this channel. Make sure y'all are liking this stuff. Comment. Let me know what y'all think about everything. And most definitely share it. If you think that if this video helped you, maybe it'll help somebody else. So that's what I'm out here doing. Y'all already know what the deal is. As always, thank y'all for rocking with me.